Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. The Hinsberg test uses benzenesulfonyl chloride to distinguish primary, secondary, and tertiary amines. Primary amines react to give sulfonamides that are soluble in alkali because the NH is acidic. Secondary amines react to give sulfonamides that are insoluble in alkali, no NH to ionize. Tertiary amines do not react. Moving on to the next step. Identify what type of amine gives a product insoluble in alkali. When a secondary amine reacts with benzenesulfonyl chloride, the product is a disubstituted sulfonamide, no NH bond. Without an acidic NH, the sulfonamide cannot form a sodium salt in alkali, so it remains insoluble in alkali. Moving on to the next step. Check the molecular formula of C7H9N. For option A, N-methylaniline is equal to C6H5NH, CH3 is equal to C7H9N. This is a secondary amine. Degree of unsaturation is equal to 2 times 7 plus 2 to 9 plus 1, 2 is equal to 14 plus 2 dash 9 plus 1, 2 is equal to 8 divided by 2 equals 4, consistent with a benzene ring. And for the final step, verify the product formula Y, C13H13 no 2S. N-methylaniline, C7H9N, reacts with benzenesulfonyl chloride, C6H5 SO2Cl, to give C6H5 SO2N, CH3, C6H5. Formula C13H13 no 2S. Check C6H5, 6C, 5H, plus SO2, S, 2O, plus N, CH3, C6H5, is equal to 6 plus 1 plus 6 is equal to 13C, 5 plus 3 plus 5 is equal to 13H, 1N, 2O, 1S is equal to C13H13 no 2S. This matches Y exactly. Confirm insolubility in alkali. The product C6H5, SO2N, CH3, C6H5 has no NH bond, so it cannot be deprotonated by alkali. It is insoluble in alkali. This is consistent with the problem statement. Eliminate other options. B is not a standard stable aromatic amine, and its formula doesn't correspond to a simple secondary amine matching these criteria. C, 2-methylaniline, or toluidine, is a primary amine, C7H9N, which would give a sulfonamide soluble in alkali. D, 4-methylaniline, p-toluidine, is also a primary amine, C7H9N, which would give a sulfonamide soluble in alkali. Only option A, N-methylaniline, a secondary amine, reacts with benzenesulfonyl chloride to give a product insoluble in alkali with formula C13H13 no 2S. Therefore, the correct answer is A. Therefore, the correct answer is option A.